Hello kids, welcome to today's exciting lesson. We're going to learn about action words, words that show what we do. Let's get started. Action words describe things we do. Let's read some action words together. Look at this girl eating. Action word eating. Sentence I am eating. Great job. Here are children playing. Action word playing. Sentence they are playing. Excellent, see this teacher teaching. Action word teaching. Sentence she is teaching. Well done, here's a bird flying. Action word flying. Sentence the bird is flying. Let's learn more action words with examples. Here's a girl combing her hair. Action word combing. Sentence Sakshi is combing. Wonderful! That's all for today, kids. Now you know many action words and how to use them in sentences. Keep practicing with your family and friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time. Bye-bye.